I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty. And if it's your first time here, welcome. And if you are already a part of the Enhanced Beauty Squad, you already know, welcome back. Today's video, I am actually doing a review. I know I'm a little behind. The palette has been out for like 3 weeks now, but I just got mine and I just completed my review. But today's video is a review of the Jackieaina times Anastasia Beverly Hills Palette. Jackie. So this entire eye look comes from this palette. Now I did something different with the lips. I hadn't used my Huda Beauty, I don't know. I hadn't used my lip combo in a while, so I did that. Make sure you watch to the end because I will give you my opinion on this palette. Before we get into the video, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you stop right now, click that subscribe button. And of course, you don't want to forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If it's something that you like, even if you don't like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and show me some love. And make sure you check the description box. I will list all of the names of the eyeshadows that I use from the palette. And make sure you share the video. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
I've already done my brows off camera, and now I am ready to apply Supreme as my transition color. And here you want to continue to build until you reach your desired shade, whatever that may be. And now for Big Wig, I am placing Big Wig into my crease. I am doing a cut crease, so I want the crease color to be kind of deep. And once I reach the desired shade there, I take my brush with no added product and I blend that Supreme color into the Big Wig. And now I am cutting the crease with Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Caramel. I will only show one eye to actually cut the crease. And now I'm blending the outer V, which is Big Wig, into the outer V, and then I'm going back in and just making sure that everything is blended really well. I just placed Supreme right in front of the Big Wig. I laid the Supreme down. And now for the lid color, this is Trust Issues. I'm working the Trust Issues over it into the Supreme color, and then I go over it. I blend the Supreme into the Trust Issues. And now I'm getting ready to apply my falsies. Just putting a little mascara on my real lashes. And I am trying to decide. I wanted to do the 25 millimeters, but I decided to go with the Miss Volume Lash in M218. It is a 3D lash. And I skipped through all of the face, applying the makeup to the face. You can look at another video to see that. So now I am using Milk. This is an eyeliner by NYX. And then I'm placing Ginger. And now Big Wig. And what I'm using here is this is an eyelash primer. I got that from Makeup Shayla. I just wanted to try it on my own, and it actually works. And now I'm lining my lips with the BFF4 lip pencil, and this is in the Shayla Times ColourPop collection. And then I'm going over it with the Huda Beauty. I used one color to outline the lips, and then I placed the other color on the inside of the lips, and now I'm just blending the colors together. And now the All Nighter Setting Spray by Urban Decay.
So let's get to it. I hope you like the look that I brought to you today. This wasn't a look for like beginners. I had not done a makeup tutorial in a while, so I was just feeling a little bit extra today. I wanted to do a cut crease because I hadn't done one in a while. I wanted to do some color. Now let's get into what I think of the palette. I used mainly Supreme and Big Wig. Supreme as my transition color and Big Wig into the crease. And then I used also Big Wig. I worked it into the outer V. And then I came in and kind of put a little bit more of the Supreme, just blended it into the corner just a little bit. And then my lid color is this one, Trust Issues. You can't really see it on camera, but this is a beautiful color. It is white with specks of gold. I had no idea that it was going to come out as this very pretty gold. It is gorgeous. Now, I didn't experience much fallout, and I was able to achieve this shade on the lid. I did not spray my brush to get it more intense or anything. This is straight, dip it and onto the lid. Overall, this palette so far, just with the colors that I've used today, I love it. The colors are very pigmented. So Jackie girl, you did your thing, and congratulations on your palette. If you have not gotten your palette and you're into makeup, you need to cop your own Jackieaina times Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I am happy that I made the decision to get this palette. You might want to get you one and try it out for yourself. I'm giving it a 10. Thank you, beauties, for watching. I will see each of you in the next video. Remember, subscribe to the channel, click your notification bell, check the description box, give this video a thumbs up, and share, share, share. Sharing means caring. I want y'all to do for me what y'all have done for Popeyes and Chick-fil-A. Well, mainly Popeyes. Give your girl a share. Give your girl a shout out. Make sure you repost. Do all of that, because just like it worked for Popeyes, it will work for me, and I will greatly appreciate it. I will see you all in the next video. Adios, beauties.